by our house. Be careful, Mom. It's pretty funny.
Sorry.
Here, hop out and hop out. Okay.
Yeah, and do that side. I'll stay
I'm
here with
going. I'm
Tribble.
going.
And get that. Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Get that side.
Oh,
and
God.
across the way.
Sorry. This is right by our house. And it goes all the way over. I don't know if you can see, but there is a highway. And cars are literally going underwater to get over to this. Literally going underwater. It's so bad, trees are going. And animals live here, I know for sure. I'm gonna try and get as close as I can so that it's kind of safe. It's pretty dangerous out here. Well, I guess it's kind of interesting having a water world in your backyard. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's getting super loud right here. Super loud. Dude, hey. I'm gonna walk into mud so you can see this. This is a creek. I used to take this path to get to band in school, and it's literally, I want to say 10 feet underwater. Feet underwater.